Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. Here I am at the module 2. Remember, you would be at the course home and you can get there one of two ways. You can go down here and go to modules, or you can go up here under content, and then it'll have all of the content over here and go to module 2. So in this class, you will be writing a paper choosing one of the 6 areas of quality and safety in nursing. It's QSEN, Q-S-E-N. Our learning objectives for Module 2 are here, and you can all read, so I'm not going to do that for you. And then here are our activities. You will pretty much view these videos on Lewis Blackman. And when you go to the first one, there's an index on the left. And I think there's 4 or 5 of them. I can't really remember, but they're 5. I just read that. And QSEN was developed to help us avoid errors like these. And then in your book, read page Roman numeral XIX, table 5. Familiarize yourself with the 6 QSEN companies by perusing the website below and determine which one of these you want to do your literature review paper on. Remember, this is a writing intensive course, and you will be writing, you're supposed to have 20 pages of writing throughout the course, and a large paper. So instead of a 20-page paper, that's why I put in the learning exercises, so your paper can be more like 12 to 15 pages. But that was the activities. Here is just a little chart that shows you how they value healthcare informatics. Healthcare informatics is one of the QSEN competencies. If you read this heartbreaking story from Lewis Blackman's mom, that will take you to your discussion question. And then here is the website. If you would go there right here, you will see what we call the KSAS. I'm hoping it takes me here now. Yeah, it's the QSEN competencies, and KSAs stand for knowledge, skills, and attitudes. And here are the 6 QSEN competencies over here, and this elaborates what a BSN should know under each one. So, and then the very last thing that you have is I included, because you're going to start writing your research, your literature review, and I put in here what's the difference between a research article and a review article, and I want you to look at that. And then the very last thing that we have here is your discussion question. And the discussion question has to do with the let me get here. Okay, you need to hit discussions and it'll take you here. It has to do with the Lewis Blackman video and the following questions. And then, so share also with the class what you think about the value of your current nursing software. Then the other thing that I want you to be aware of, and I put it back out here, I think on the course home, on week 5, you have, just like you did in community health, you have a practicum to this. And it's a preceptor agreement. You need a preceptor for a leadership role who has a minimum BSN, who is not your immediate supervisor. And just like you did for the community health or population health, you will need to find a leader in hopefully a hospital that we are contracted with. We do not put our list of contracts out because they change on a daily basis, and some expire and don't get renewed, others are added. And so I need you to email me your choice of organization and who your preceptor is going to be, and fill out the paperwork that's attached here. There's 2 pieces of paper, the agency information sheet and the preceptor data form. So if you have any questions about these, feel free to email me. So that's just our short little welcome to week 2. I hope you have a good week. Remember, I am here for questions and concerns. So text me, email me.